guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I am up with another video of resin artwork. So here today I'll be making a teakwood frame. So first I have removed the sticker of the frame, and for the back one we'll remove it at the end. So here I've received this garland for the preservation by my client, so I'm going to be making that. I have dried them and some were already dried, so I'm using them. They had some pearls as well, so I'll be adding the pearls also. First you need to make sure that all the flowers are completely dried. If there will be a moisture in that, then the resin artwork will turn green in color. After this I'm using some resin. For the resin I'm using 2:1 resin. You can also use 3:1, but that is for deep casting. So I'm not doing here complete deep casting. That's the reason I've used 2:1. So here I'm taking a small cup of resin into a large one. Usually 2 cups of resin and 1 cup of hardener. After pouring that into glass, you need to mix it around for like 5 to 10 minutes continuously, because the quantity of the resin we have taken is too much here, so it will take time to mix completely. Make sure to mix the edges also nicely, because there will be some resin and hardness stuck inside. And if you don't mix the resin and hardener together well, then the resin would cure fast and it will be sticky and it won't be hard at all. So make sure to mix it nicely. I forgot to film the video while making this, but no worries. But I have just poured the resin and fixed my flowers. Here I am using the second coat of resin and hardener. After the first layer, you need to keep it for 24 hours. Then you need to add the second layer. It takes almost 1 day to dry completely. So here I have added the second layer also. So after this you'll need to let it dry for 24 hours again, and then we will put the next layer. I'll use the bubble buster spray to remove all the bubbles, which will easily remove all the bubbles. Now you can see how clear it is. This video I've taken after 24 hours. Now we'll stick the photo to the resin artwork. Make sure your photo is laminated, because if you don't laminate it, the colors will start bleeding. And here I have taken some acrylic cutouts of their initials and the hashtags. You can also take that, or you can also use vinyl stickers for that. Or you can stick the photo with Fevikwik or B6000 glues. Here I am using Fevikwik so that it will stick faster. B6000 usually takes around 5 to 6 hours to stick. That's the reason I have used this Fevikwik. After that you need to press it properly. Then you need to remove the stickers of the resin cutouts and stick it. After this we need to add one more layer of resin and hardener to it. So I have taken again a glass of resin and hardener to mix it properly, and I am adding it. So I have almost used around 250 grams or half kg of resin to make this artwork. For extra shine, you can also add one more layer after this layer has dried if you want extra shiny. It will look very nice. After bubble buster spray, And here you go, the resin artwork is completely ready with a complete shine without any bubbles. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.